case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
Unraveling the fascinating legal dispute of Hill v. Gateway 2000 Inc., one finds it centered on the murky idea that silence often fails as a form of acceptance. Hinting at the nebulous concept of contractual obligations contained even in the fine print, this case became a defining landmark in the understanding of consumer rights. It all began when the Hills, deciding to order a computer from Gateway. Once received, packaged within the box along with the computer, was a contract loaded with terms and conditions. Nestled within these terms was a provision that required all disputes to be resolved at an arbitration table, provided the product was kept beyond a 30-day period. This pivotal detail, however, was missed by the Hills, who did not inspect the contract in thorough detail. Their tryst began when they encountered performance issues with the computer. More than 30 days had passed since their purchase, which left an exasperating legal hurdle when they chose to sue Gateway for the product's faulty performance. Gateway implored that based on their contract, the Hills were consigned to settle this dispute through arbitration. Gateway, in response to the filed lawsuit, demanded the Hills to conform to an arbitration process. Still, the district court dismissed this motion, citing the lack of adequate notice provided to the Hills concerning the contract's terms. The decision by the district court led to an appeal from Gateway, reigniting the legal wheels. The Court of Appeal argued that the Hills, by voluntarily keeping the computer past the 30-day period, had intrinsically accepted the provisions of the contract. It inferred that such acceptances inherently include potential unwelcome terms, especially in such rolling contracts. Therefore, a consumer's assents were found in the refusal to return the ordered goods within a specified period after new conditions are presented. The audacious appeal of Gateway bore fruits, signaling a remarkable victory for the tech giant and setting a solid precedent in the realm of consumer rights. Despite the lack of prominent notice, arbitration clauses embedded within product terms and conditions were upheld, establishing a considerably high benchmark for consumer diligence.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.